Dear students of class 1, today we are going to learn GK subject, chapter 5, game name. Class 1, GK, chapter 5, game name. So, dear students, please turn to page 6. Let's look at the textbook. This active boy is trying to play many sports at the same time. How many can you name? So now, dear students, we are going to find out how many games or sports is the boy trying to play. So now let's look at the picture number 1. Here, the picture number 1 shows a racket, which is commonly used in lawn tennis. Lawn tennis is a game of two players standing on an opposite ends of a playing arena known as a tennis court. The sports material required in lawn tennis are balls, rackets, nets, net posts, etc. So, Djokovic and Rafael Nadal are an example of a lawn tennis player. So, now let's look at the picture number 2. Here, the picture number 2 shows a batting leg guard, which is commonly used in cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. It is a bat and a ball game. The accessories required in cricket are bat, batting leg guards, gloves, helmet, etc. So, Virat Kohli, Rahul Dravid, etc. are an example of a cricketer. So now let's look at the picture number 3. The picture number 3 shows a football. Football is also an outdoor game in which two teams of 11 players are played to get into the opposing team's goal. So the sports material required in football are cleat shoes. Cleat here it means a small pointed point on the bottom of some shoes. We usually call it as ball boots, socks, shin guards, glove, etc. are required in football sports material. Cristiano Ronaldo and Neymar are an example of a footballer. So now let's look at the picture number 4. The picture number 4 shows a basketball. Basketball is a game played between two teams of 5 players, each in a court. The sports material required in basketball are basketball jerseys, basketball shoes, shorts, socks, headbands, etc. So LeBron James and LeBron James and John Quill James are an example of a basketball player. Now let's look at the picture number 5. The picture number 5 shows an archery. Archery is a game or sport using a bow and to shoot arrows. The materials required for archery are arrows, bows, bowstrings, chess cut, etc. So now let's look at the picture number 6. Here the picture number 6 shows a glove which is commonly used in boxing. Boxing is a sport in which two people wears a protective gloves and other equipment like mouth guard and throw a punch at each other. So the materials required in boxing are mouth guard, head guard, towel, etc. So Anthony Joshua and Deontay Wilder are an example of a boxer. So now let's look at the picture number 7. Here picture number 7 shows a cricket stick. So now let's look at the picture number 7. Here the picture number 7 shows a hockey stick. So hockey is an outdoor game played between two teams of 11 players. So hockey game is to move a hockey puck from the center of the box through to their opponent's goal. Puck means black disc made of hard rubber. So the materials required in hockey are hockey stick, ball, shin guards, helmet, gloves, etc. So Connor McDavid and Dhanraj Pillay are an example of a hockey player. So this is all about the game name. Now for your home assignment, name any 5 sports or game from the picture and write them down in your notebook. Thank you.